Hello, I'm David Neff, and welcome to another episode of the Lodestone channel, where the truth matters. You want the truth? No doubt. I'm sure you can handle the truth. So it's good to have you on board, you veterans, you people from Dubai, and the rest of you. I appreciate you being on here. I was looking today in 2 Peter chapter 3 and verse 1, and this is a letter he's writing, of course, to all the believers in his day, and there was still a lot of activity going on then from the Roman government, and Rome didn't especially appreciate these followers of Jesus Christ. We thought we got rid of him. We crucified him and he died. Oh no, he really didn't. He rose from the dead on that third day, ascended into heaven, and now sits at the right hand of the Father. And Peter wants to remind us that we are loved. Now, me especially, my name being David, which means beloved or loved. And loved by whom? Loved by the Creator of heaven and earth. And it's interesting that I was named David, and with my name meaning beloved or loved, because when you lose your mother at age 5 in a horrific car accident and go the rest of your life on Mother's Day, it's just like Mother's Day comes around and I go, okay, not having a clue what it is. When I was younger, I'm not sure that I knew what being loved really meant. I think it was like not in my crosshairs somehow. Now, as I sit here today, I know what it is to be loved, because this love comes from God. And he demonstrated his love. This wasn't just a lot of talk. He demonstrated his love in that while we were still sinners, while we were yet lost in darkness, he gave us his Son to die on a cross, who, by the way, rose from the dead on the third day so that we could have everlasting life. And Peter says right here, don't forget what the early prophets wrote hundreds and hundreds of years before we were ever around. And remember that every one of those prophecies came true. Peter, in this letter, is quick to remind us that a supernatural event has occurred in each of our lives, where we choose to leave the darkness of the evil one, the father of lies, and turn to Jesus, the light of the world. Now, there's going to be a lot of scoffers who want nothing to do with this message. They choose to go their own way, Fleetwood Mac. They have everything figured out. They don't need God. No one tells them what to do or how to live, so they hate us. They don't know or understand our peace, our love, our joy, our hope. They just don't want to hear it. Do not be led astray. Stay in the fight. Hold the line. The battle is the Lord's. If you like this video, click like. If you want to subscribe, subscribe. Until the next time, God bless you. Keep fighting.